Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next to. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Monday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So, my dear friends, gold at 2414. This is the price where market closed on Friday. And yes, gold is super bullish again. Gold hits 4-week high. Gold sets fresh high. And what is the reason? Gold rose past 2400 per ounce on Friday, setting a fresh record by increased expectations of Federal Reserve interest rate cuts, firm central banks buying, and safe haven demand. These are the reasons because of which we saw gold flying on Friday. Federal Reserve interest rate cuts, central banks around the world, especially China, okay, buying, and because of the geopolitical tensions. And we can expect the upside to continue. So if you are a positional trader, swing trader, if you have a buy on gold, you have done a great job beyond the trade because further upside is possible. Maybe in the next few days, we will see gold around 2450, 2500. If I see gold at 2500, I will not be surprised. Okay. So this is a present chart of gold in front of us. So let's discuss the levels. Those who are looking for fresh entry. But before I proceed with the levels, I would like to mention one thing here, and that is we can see right now that okay, market is forming beautiful swings here, and right now market is standing at the swing high. And there is a good chance that in the coming days we will get see market showing some retracement because no market cannot go up like this, no market cannot go down like this in a continuous manner. Market will be coming down for retracement, and yes, a retracement is needed for gold as well because market is standing at a swing high right now. And the best part is that if we look at RSI, I do not talk about RSI much, but yes, RSI, okay, it is important to understand the momentum of the market. Okay. While I started my trading journey around 11 years ago, okay, trading with the help of indicators was very popular, and I was a big fan of RSI. I used to consider RSI to be a holy grail, but after blowing few accounts uh, by using RSI overbought and oversold levels, okay, I stopped using RSI. Okay, but around few years ago, around 5 to 6 years ago, I met uh, two fund managers. Okay, two fund managers uh, outside India. So in our casual talk, okay, I just asked them, okay, do you use any indicator? Then they told me the name of RSI. So when I heard the name of RSI again, I was pretty shocked. Okay, I asked them why RSI. Do you? Huh? Then they laughed. Okay, laughed and said that we do not use RSI for overbought and oversold levels, but yes, we use RSI to understand the momentum of the market. It means they also use RSI to understand or to look the divergence because momentum also plays an important role. In this video, obviously, I will not be able to explain details. So RSI tells us about the momentum of the market. Okay. So if the big guys are looking at RSI for moment to understand the momentum of the market, then there must be a story, isn't it? So here we can see that okay, we have a divergence here, and already market is standing at the swing high. Okay, so we can expect a temporary retracement, isn't it? I'm not talking about trend reversal because for trend reversal we need the backing of the fundamentals right now, which we don't have. Now we can see this is the 4 hours time frame. On the 4 hours time frame also we can see a divergence. This is the daily time frame. Okay, on the daily time frame also we can see a divergence. Okay, so there is a good chance that we may get to see a retracement. Maybe, okay, maybe market will be heading towards 2500, but before that, I think market will be coming down for retracement and then it will go up because the divergence is clearly visible. But if any news comes out, let's assume that geopolitical tension rises again by the weekend, then obviously nothing will work and market will be flying, and the only way to make money is to follow the trend of the market. Okay, so guys, those who are waiting for levels, I do not want to bore you. Okay, let's jump to the point right now. Okay, so we are back to the 1 hour chart of gold again, and you can see that I have drawn 5 lines here. So let's try to understand the trading opportunities. Okay. So the market opening is going to play an important role. And as we have already discussed, that market is right now standing at a swing high. So yes, we can expect some sort of downside by Monday or Tuesday. So if we draw FIBO here, yes, we are using FIBO again. You can see the first FIBO level is coming around 2401. And 00 is a round number, it's a psychological level. So let's make it 24002 to 2401. And the second support is around 2388 to 2390. Why I'm making 2390? Because you can see we will also be having the 50 moving average around this area. So these are the two levels where we have buyers right now. So my dear friends, the market opening is going to be very important. If we see a normal market opening, if the volatility of the market is slow, market is slowly coming down, in that case you can definitely expect the market to bounce from 2400 2401. How much you can expect? Take a buy position initially. Okay, initially you can keep your target around 30 to 40 pips. Okay, but if you see the bounce is good enough, market is staying above the level, then you can continue. Okay, and on the other hand, if you see the market is coming down, okay, after the market opening, gold is coming down with big red candles. In that case, okay, you can avoid buy around 2400 2401 and keep your eyes on 2388 2390. This is the level where you can expect a bounce. When market will hit the level, observe the market for 1 minute, 2 minutes. How does the market is behaving? If you see price rejection from below on the 50 minutes time frame, you can hit the buy button. No need to wait for the candle to close. You'll miss the opportunity. So these are the two trading opportunities that where you can look for a buy position. And as the market is bullish right now, it is better and safer to be on buy position only. But if you have a considerable experience, if risk is your middle name, and then you can also look for a sell position below 2400 as well. So if you see the market is falling, selling pressure is too high, okay, market is sharply coming for retracement, and if you have the risk appetite, you can also look for a sell below 2400 as well. Okay, you can see that I have also drawn a dotted line at 2405. So 2405 is a weak support. If you see market is coming down with small candles, means there is no volume in the market. Volume plays an important role. In that case, you can look for a buy around 2405 or 3040. Do not expect a complete bounce, because this is a very weak level. This is a level, okay, that can only give you a small bounce, not a proper bounce. Okay, so 2405 can give us a small bounce if 2405 2406. Okay, 2405 2406 can give us a small bounce if the volume is low. Otherwise, we need to go for buy around these two levels if market bounces. Do not place buy positions blindly. Okay, protect your hard-earned money, protect your capital. Okay, this is your money. So once you see that, okay, market is taking support, then only hit the buy button. If you see the market is standing at 2400 with a big red candle, do you think you should go for a buy? Obviously no, you should wait. And if market doesn't come for retracement, so we have been talking about the market coming for retracement, we can do that, we can go buy, we can buy there, we can buy here. So if market doesn't come for retracement, then obviously we have no other choice but to look for buy at breakout. Means we can look for a buy above 2423. Okay, we can look for a buy above 2423 level. If you see the market is not coming down, market is arrogant, market is bullish again, so we can look for a buy above 2423. But be careful around the previous high of 2432. Okay, market may behave abnormally. Okay, so let's wait and watch 2400. Okay, 2400 2388 are the two levels where we can look for buy retracement. If market doesn't come for retracement, we can look for a buy above 2423. And how market will behave around 2432, okay, it's hard to tell right now, because in almost all the time frames we can see divergence. So maybe we may get to see a divergence, or sorry, a temporary reversal from 2432 area as well. And if any geopolitical news comes out, then obviously 2432 will not work, and we can look for a buy position above it. But if market reverses from there, obviously we can look for a sell as well. So time will tell how we will trade around 2432. Okay, now let's wait and watch how does the market open So market opening is going to be important for every one of us who have trade on gold. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Have a lovely weekend. Spend some quality time, fun time with your friends and family. And today is the day of the meetup. So, my dear friend, if you are coming to the Dubai meetup, you are most welcome. Thank you so much for all the love and support. I feel really blessed. Thank you.